Now that we have created our categories, it's time to start creating our classes. And again, under Administration and below Site Administration and Courses, we have Manage Courses and Categories. And here we have Create New Course. Here we'll just type in a name for this course, and it's Teaching Moodle Basics. And the short name is the name that you will see here in the breadcrumbs. And the category, and because this is about teaching, I'm going to use the category Moodle Creator Classes Teaching. And this one is supposed to be shown straight away. If I choose hide, the students will not see the class until I've decided to make it visible, so you make it visible from here. And the start day is just from today. And I can create a summary here, short summary, just to type something. And the course format, is this a weekly format? I am not going to use a weekly format for this. I'm just going to create a topics format. The teacher has the right to go in here and change all these settings. The number of sections, well, I'm going to use the default 10. And hidden sections are shown in a collapsed form. I think that's a great idea. Show all sections on one page. Yes, I like that as well. And here we have force language. If you force a language, you can force like French. If you're teaching French, then it might be a great idea to force this class to be in French. So you can do that from here. And then we have files and uploads. And this is just what is the maximum size. And the maximum size allowed here is 2 MB. I recommend using the default. If you're going to be using videos or something like that, I recommend not having videos hosted on your learning management server. Use Vimeo or YouTube or whatever, but I recommend do not use Moodle for video because it takes up the traffic. Here we can choose access if we want to allow guests to access this website, and you can create a password so that they'll have to type in the password and then they can see what's happening inside this class. You can choose straight away if you want group mode, meaning that the students will see the class differently depending on what group they're placed in. And then finally, your words for the different types of roles if you want to change them, but I'll just use the default and press Save Changes. When we've saved changes, we're directed directly into enrolling users for this course, but we're not going to do that right now. So that's it for creating a class. But I'm going to go back into the class, and you can see I'm using the breadcrumbs to go backwards, and I think that's something you'll get used to doing, not using the navigation from here, but using the breadcrumbs to go back. And here we have the class with 10 topics.